These days, with all the talk about AI, algo trading is on the rise. And I've got to say, this is actually something that I've been doing for a number of years now. I have some expert advisors that I've run for many, many years on my trading accounts. And today I want to talk a little bit about automated trading, algorithmic trading versus manual trading, and some ways to approach this very popping off industry. So of course, there are two types of traders. You have manual traders who execute their trades by hand, which is something that I do, but then there's also automated trading or algorithmic trading, robot trading, you hear it all these different phrases, which is also something that I do and don't talk about too often on the channel, but many traders are exploring and learning about algorithmic trading now, which is essentially letting a robot, once you have it pre-programmed with certain instructions, to execute trades on your behalf. And it's a rising thing right now in the foreign exchange market, as well as really all sorts of different trading types. Futures people, algorithmic trading is on the rise alongside the AI craze that we've seen this year. So of course, a question that we often get is, how do you even get a robot trading device or contraption, or expert advisor is what they call them? Well, there's a couple ways to get them. First, you can build them yourself. And if you have backgrounds in CS, computer science, programming, that sort of thing, it is something that you can probably learn with some trial and error and quite a few hours. It is possible to do. That is what I've done. It's my background is computer science. But then you can also purchase them online. There are many outlets out there that allow people to purchase expert advisors. Please be careful with this. If it's too good to be true, if it seems too good to be true, it almost certainly is. But there's ways to purchase reliable or sort of slow and steady robots, which is something that we offer on our website. Now, of course, there's no guarantees with anything. Everything is you have to be careful with how you program a robot to trade, that sort of thing. But expert advisors are available all over the internet, and you can definitely do some research on this. But one thing that many algorithmic traders or aspiring traders that want to trade with robots run into is the sort of the problems with MetaTrader needing to remain open all the time. So one thing that's kind of weird is that when you run a robot, it has to sit there and execute. But that means it has to have a working computer to actually execute those trades and to do its analysis, whatnot. If it buys, an overbought RSI or an oversold RSI or whatever the rules are, right? It has to actually be there to watch the charts. And that is one of the coolest things about algorithmic trading is you could be off doing whatever and the robot is still watching the chart closely. So one more issue I should mention about running EAs on your own personal computer is that if your power goes out or there's a thunderstorm that makes your I don't know, something happen to your computer, a trade can be missed. The logic that the robot was working with can be lost suddenly, and this poses a serious risk to traders who trade algorithmically. This is also why VPS services are very important when running automated trading, so that even if you're far away from the computer, it's always running and you can remote into something that allows you to check on your robotic trading at any time. Like I said, even a quick Wi-Fi outage for an hour or two can cause some serious issues to your trading if the robot is not able to function due to lack of Wi-Fi, power, whatever. So if you don't know what a VPS, it is virtual private server. And if you don't know what a virtual private server is, it's essentially a way for you from anywhere log in to a online private server that you can actually access, sort of a dedicated computer, if you will, where you can run your robots, where you can run your stuff. And this is what all of the algorithmic pros out there, the robot traders, do. They set themselves up with a reliable VPS, like what you can get with Forex VPS, that allows you to remote in, check on your trading, check on your robots, and doesn't matter what's going on. Wi-Fi can go in and out in your house, or power can go out through a thunderstorm, but Forex VPS has a dedicated virtual private server without any downtime. That is really key to running successful robotic trading platforms. And that brings me to the sponsor of today's video, which is Forex VPS. One of the best things about Forex VPS is their near instant execution, which is as fast as 1 millisecond. This is important because when you're placing trades, you're placing it at the exact price that you want to trade at. So having near instant execution is a huge advantage comparing, shopping around to other VPSs, you want the fast one, and Forex VPS certainly has the numbers here. One side note is that Forex VPS has many data centers, and you're actually able to remove most of the, if not almost all of the latency between the different platforms by simply placing your VPS nearby wherever your brokerage is at, which is key because again, it will remove any very, very close to no latency between when you click buy or sell and the order is executed on the platform. Again, this offers almost near instant execution within your broker, and no other VPS in the world has coverage that Forex VPS does. Okay, so this is a big barrier for me. Difficulty to set up. When it comes to VPSs, that can be a lot of tech. It can be very complicated, but I will say that when it comes to Forex VPS, the setup process is very easy. They have a 5-minute or less kind of concept where it's very easy once you get set up with your account to have a VPS, to be able to remote in. And that to me is really key, is to have a simple process that's reliable. It's always up and you can access it from anywhere. And after signing up, you'll have access to your VPS within 5 minutes of completing your purchase. Another cool thing about Forex VPS is, unlike other VPS services that are sort of general use case, Forex VPS does it right. They focus very specifically on the automated trading side of things, and you'll be able to see that when you go through their site. So speaking of their site and their package options for getting a VPS, let's dive into that right now. So Forex VPS offers 4 different plans to their customers so that you can choose the one that suits you best. And let's take a look at some of those. So I would recommend personally the Basic Plus package because it offers everything that you could need and it's the most popular option. So with Basic Plus, you'll be able to get between 4 and 6 EAs on your platform. So if you're the kind of person that wants to run several robots on one, this would probably be the package for you. Now, as part of this video promotion with them, make sure to use code TraderNick20 for 20% off. And better yet, this will actually apply a lifetime discount of 20% off of future transactions. Again, get access to a great VPS dedicated specifically to the Forex and automated trading realm. And again, a long list of awesome features that trump any of the other ones out there. Also, I should say this is really cool. They do a 14-day no hassle refund option, which is really cool because you can get the chance to check this out, make sure everything runs for you. Again, it's a really simple process. So 14-day money back guarantee on any of the VPS plans that you can choose to purchase. So let's talk about the sign up process. It's really easy. You simply enter your email, you choose the plan that you would like. Again, I personally think the Basic Plus looks good. Then you'll choose your term. Most people go for a longer stretch, especially if they're serious. You can either go though monthly or yearly, and you can see the different savings that you would have. You can also choose receive installation help if you need that. If that's something that you're looking for, it's only an additional $10 to get you set up on your new VPS. And their team is well trained to help you in that process. And also this is fully customizable. So if you need more RAM or backups, or you want to change the location, all of this stuff can be adjusted to your liking once you're setting your VPS up. Then you hit continue, complete your purchase with the promo link stuff down below in the description, so you save 10%, and you're on your way. In terms of reputation, Forex VPS has one of the best ones out there. Their Trustpilot is stellar. I've heard of them many times, and many traders who I know who are robotic traders are out there using Forex VPS as we speak. And to speak to their reliability, 24/7 support is available from their team at any time. Not to mention, if at any time you do have questions, you can always chat them directly on their website. And again, click that link down below. Once you're on that site, if you have specific questions that I didn't answer in this video, I encourage you to live chat their support team. They'll be standing by so that you can ask them any questions that you may have to see if it's a fit for you. So there are a couple extra perks that you're going to get if you do decide to go with Forex VPS, which I'll talk about now. It's pretty cool. So with your purchase, you'll also receive access to some really great tools provided by some partners of Forex VPS. First one is How to Trade, which is an educational website. They provide live streams, academy videos, etc. And it's important for traders, manual or algo, to understand how the markets move. The more education you have in this stuff, the better. And finally, this is another freebie that you get once you are a member with them, is the Track a Trader, which is similar to MyFX book. You'll actually be able to gain access to insights where you can plug in your trading terminal and all the data will be there. So you can look at your trading performance, history, win-loss ratio, etc. It's really cool. Here's a look at the Forex VPS dashboard where you can see everything in one place. You can view your free perks by clicking here. And on this page, you can open up a free account with how to trade. And of course, you've also got your track a trader statistics. There's some referrals here in case you want to sign up a friend or offer this to somebody else that you know. And remember, make sure to use code TraderNick20 for 20% off down below in the description. Thanks very much for watching, and a big shout out to Forex VPS for sponsoring this video.